GM. Does a customer in Spokane want a car like this? A sporty red two-door fastback hardtop with stereo, 4 on the floor, 4-barrel carburetor, bucket seats, air conditioning, racing trim, and wire wheels? I give it to him. A computer sends out the order, and in any one of 100 assembly plants controlled from Detroit, that car comes together. That stereo, that body, that engine, that transmission, those seats and wheels and wheel covers. The modern way to make a custom automobile. But America rides on cars in more ways than one. Cars are steel. Cars are rubber. Cars are fabric, oil, gas, aluminum, tourism, drive-ins, motels, highway construction. Sell Detroit, and you sell America. Buy Detroit, and you buy America.